Today I will be sharing with you a very important Baha'i teaching. Baha'i writings tell us that man is not intended to see through another's eyes, hear through another's ears, nor comprehend with another's brain. Each human creature has individual endowment, power and responsibility in the creative plan of God. Baha'i writings tell us that if we don't investigate the truth ourselves, we will blindly imitate our ancestors. Blind imitation means that doing what others do, thinking what others think, without using our own minds. So many of the things we do in our lives, so many of our prejudices we inherit from others. So many of the rituals that we carry out on a day-to-day basis. We do it merely because we've seen our ancestors do it. We never think about them. Now, I'm not saying that what our ancestors did is wrong. All I'm saying is, before we do them, we need to use our own eyes, ears and mind. If God wanted us to use the eyes, ears or minds of another, He would not have given us our own set of powers. If we blindly imitate the people of the past, we may act like the people of the past. And we may repeat the same mistakes they did. And it is obvious if we do not use our minds to think, if we do not use our minds at all, the growth of our minds will stop. Baha'i writings tell us that blind imitation of the past will stunt the mind. But when every soul inquireth into truth, we will be freed from the darkness of continually repeating the past. Baha'u'llah urges us to free ourselves from the superstitions and traditions of the past and become an investigator of reality. For it will then be seen that God has revealed His light many times in order to illumine mankind in the path of evolution in various countries and through many different prophets, masters and sages. Now before I go, I would like you to think about something. Have you ever read the Gita, the Quran or the Bible yourself? Or have you relied on someone else to understand these books? Have you inherited any prejudices? Do you dislike a particular religion, a nation, or a specific person just because someone you are close to dislikes them? Alright, thanks a lot for the 3 minutes of your time. And I hope that we learn to investigate truth ourselves, that we use our own eyes, our own ears, and our own minds.